beautiful. Sa ating video ngayon ay gagawa ako ng eco-friendly soap. Gagamit ako ng empty milk carton, gaya nito, para gamitin natin gawing soap mold. First, titignan natin kung ilang ang liquid na magkasya dito sa ating milk carton. 946 ml. Liquid na kasya dito. So we need 32 ounces of oil ang magkasya dito sa ating empty milk carton. Okay, let's start making soap. Ang ating recipe ngayon ay gagamit tayo ng palm oil, 3 ounces. So, susukatin natin ang ating palm oil. We need 3 ounces. So, kailangan maging accurate tayo guys sa ating pag-measure, pag-weigh ng ating oils and butter. Okay, 3 ounces. And then, ilagay natin ito sa tear again off. Make it 0. For our coconut oil guys, we need 8 ounces. Lahat ng ating solid oils and butter, paghahaluin, tapos atin itong i-melt. Either sa microwave or sa double boiler. So we need 8 ounces. Sobra. Kailangan eksakto talaga. We have to be precise sa ating measurement. For our butter, we need 2 ounces. 1.6. So, 15 ounce pa. Ayan, 2 ounces to be exact. So, next step, ating i-melt ang solid oils and cocoa butter. Gamit ang another bowl, i-measure natin ang olive oil, 18 ounces. We need 18 ounces for this recipe. Sumobra. So, kailangan eksakto. Gawin natin siyang 18. 10 ounces and then plus 8. Okay, 10 ounces. Iti-tear ulit natin siya into 0 and then plus 8. Okay, 8 ounces. So, we make 18 ounces for olive oil. And lastly, i-add natin ang 1 ounce na castor oil. Castor oil is good for making your soap bubbles, lather. Okay, 1 ounce. Good. Next step, we will measure our lye. So we need to protect our skin again, and we will use our gloves and eye protection, goggle. For our sodium hydroxide, we need 4.5 ounces. 4.5. Sa ating liquid, kailangan natin ng 12.16 distilled water. So, yung 10 ounces ay water at hahaluan ko siya ng 2 ounces naman na coconut milk. This time, gagawin na natin ang ating lye solution. So, dahan-dahan. So, mainit guys itong ating water. At kung mapapansin ninyo, mayroong fumes. So, kailangan hindi natin ito ma-inhale. So, this is hot. Kaya we should be careful. This is hot. Haluin natin mabuti hanggang sa totally ma-dissolve ang ating sodium hydroxide. So malamig na ang ating melted butter and oils. So ihalo ko naman yung liquid oils, which is olive oil. So, dapat nasa room temperature ang ating oil. Gagamit ako ng thermometer para malaman ko kung ito ay nasa room temperature ang ating oil and butter. So, ayon sa ating thermometer, ito ay less than 100. So, this is good. Ihalo na natin ang ating lye solution. Nasa room temperature din siya. Kailangan maligamgam lang ang ating oil and lye solution. Ang ating stick blender kailangan nakasubmerge before we will mix it. And then we will add 2 ounces of our fragrance oil. Kailangan ganito na yung ating mixture. So makikita natin guys na nagki-create na siya ng trays like this. So ready na ito to make our coloring. So gagawa ako ng dalawang color. So split ko itong butter into 2. Equal parts. Nagawa tayo ng dalawang kulay for our nice and beautiful soap. Okay. So gagamit ako ng soft colorant na orchid. Siya na ito. And one is shamrock green. Okay. medyo dark. Para kitang-kita sa ating sabon ang nice color. Okay, very nice color. So, I'll mix lang. Check lang natin ang mabuti. So, optional guys. Optional lang kung ayaw ninyong, kung wala kayong colorant. So, pwede rin. Just the natural color. So, you can use natural colorant like annatto. You can also use turmeric for coloring your soap. Okay, this is ready to pour in our mold. So, let's pour this sa ating soap mold. Medyo thick na yung aking butter. Okay, sa kabila naman. So, lagyan natin siya ng design, interchange. So, dito guys, pwede kayong maging creative. Dapat sabay. Natin siya hanggang sa okay. Okay, so set aside natin siya for 2 days and then we'll be back for the unmolding. It's time to unmold our soap after 2 days. Titignan natin guys ang ating eco-friendly soap. Dahan-dahan nating tanggalin sa ating napakagandang eco-friendly soap mold. Okay. Wow. Ikutin lang hanggang sa matanggal natin siya sa kanyang mold. Para matanggal natin sa box. Carton. 2 days is good to cure. Wow. Beautiful. Yes. Bilog. So beautiful.